Jill worked on her homework for 23 minutes. She had to stop at 6 for dinner. Which clock shows the time Jill began her homework? So we're going backwards. So I'm going to make a very basic clock. And I know that 6 o'clock is going to have the minute hand facing on the 12 and the hour hand facing on the 6, like that. Now, I'm going in reverse 20 minutes. 30 minutes goes the entire way. So 23 minutes is going to go this way, backwards, because we're going backwards, and stop right around there, give or take. Now, if we're going to move the minute hand backwards, I have to move the hour hand just a teensy tiny bit. And that may have been a bit too much. But what we're looking at is a clock that now looks like this. Minute hand is somewhere over here. Hour hand is somewhere over there. And the only one that seems to look like it is B. Now let's just double check. The time right here would be the hour hands are between the 5 and the 6, so the time would be 5 something. And so here's 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So this would be 5:37. And so going backwards 23 minutes from 6 o'clock does give us 5:37. So B is going to be our answer.